Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A3 headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you wish to remove. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental short circuits and protects your vehicle's electrical system. Next, identify any plastic trim or covers that might be blocking access to the headlight unit. Now that you have clear access, it's time to locate the fasteners. Most Audi A3 headlights are secured by 3 or 4 screws or bolts. You'll usually find 2 on the top of the headlight unit and 1 or 2 on the side, near the fender. Carefully remove these fasteners using the appropriate tools, such as a Torx screwdriver or a 10mm socket wrench. Keep these screws in a safe place so they don't get lost during the process. With the fasteners removed, you can now gently pull the headlight unit forward a few inches. This will expose the electrical connectors at the back. There are usually 2 or 3 main connectors for the various bulbs and possibly a leveling motor. Carefully press the release tabs on each connector and pull them apart. Take your time and avoid yanking the wires, as this could damage the harness. Make sure all connections are completely detached before proceeding. Once all electrical connections are free, you can carefully slide the entire headlight unit out of its housing. It might require a slight wiggle to clear any remaining clips or guides. Before installing a new headlight or reinstalling the old one, take a moment to inspect the housing and connectors for any signs of wear or damage. Reinstallation is straightforward. Simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the fasteners are tightened properly. Double-check your lights before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.